fucking windy.
Alright, we're gonna take this up front. Cut.
And for sports.
Alright, to the front! Come on! Everybody
Damn.
stay calm. Stay. Oh, whoa!
Oh, it's fucking flooding, yo.
Oh my god.
It really is flooding.
Alright, you need to get out there.
Aaron, you're going out there.
Florida. We got the streets flooding.
Holy shit.
As you can see, it's right north now. And someone's looking at me.
Wow, I wish I could go outside with my camera. Wow. It's really flooding, yo. Oh,
What the hell, yo?
it's really flooding.
Yeah, you can use that.
For what? Are you going out there? Are you going out there? My camera's gonna stay right here. Be careful.
You want to get a raft? Is that what you said? Is that what you want to do?
That's what we might
You're
need.
trying to go.
Look at, you
trying to
can
go
see where
rafting?
she's stepping. You can see she's stepping in water. Oh, there it is.
Oh my.
Damn.
Watch out for snakes! Oh my god.
Wow.
It's all through her
What?
ankle. Wow, that's crazy.
Damn.
That's fucking
Wow, this
Alright,
is
time to
bad.
find a tube. Where's that raft? Where's that raft that was in the pool?
This is bad.